welcome to another edition of the Down Low. Today we have an extra special treat, the B&T APC-9 submachine gun. And yes, it has a happy switch. This is the submachine gun that the Army just bought for its Criminal Investigation Command, specifically for its Personal Security Detail Battalion. These are the guys who protect VIPs on trips overseas. They wanted something that had more firepower than a handgun, but was in a handgun caliber, kind of something like the H&K MP5. They put out a solicitation, and a year later, it was this gun that won. Now the neat thing about this gun is it's really made like a Swiss watch. It has incredible precision, the parts are amazing, the action on it is incredible. It has a recoil mitigation system, almost like a buffer spring behind the blowback operating system here, which really reduces the amount of recoil on this thing. It comes with 30 round straight magazines. You'll also notice that it has ambidextrous charging handle that sort of folds away and keeps it low profile. It has full Picatinny rails going down the top of the receiver and on the sides of the grip here. It has basically very similar to an AR-15 or M4 controls here, ambidextrous mag release and bolt catch release, ambidextrous safety selector, and just a grip and a trigger group that's very, very similar in operating to the M4. Also comes with a tri-lug adapter, old school like the H&K MP5 for suppressors. And this collapsible stock is pretty cool. You can extend it without having to press any buttons and retract it just by pressing the retraction button, and it will use its own force of gravity to close. So that's very cool. Comes with backup sights and an aim point acro red dot. Yeah, it's really fun to shoot. It'd be kind of nice with a little front handle here, just to, I get a little nervous about the length of the barrel here and my hands kind of getting in front of it. But I guess that's a, problem with any kind of sub gun. The grip is really nice. It fits well in the hand. It's got a great angle to it. Yeah, pretty fun piece of gear. I really like it. Clearly, this was an excellent choice for the Army to outfit its personal protective details overseas. It's really smooth, light recoil, stays on target no problem, great controls, cool piece of gear. Comes with a Swiss price though. It's about $2,500 for one of these in a civilian version, but still, for those who are looking for something like this, this could be a great way to go. That'll wrap it up for this episode of the Down Low. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out more content at GearScout.com, on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Also, be sure to check out our GearScout podcast. It's really cool. We have a great time talking tactical stuff. It's on your favorite podcast app, iTunes, Google Play, Stitcher. We'll be talking about this in a little greater detail. Thanks for watching, and be sure to click the next episode.